So as soon as I joined Supergrads, I was like, this is it. The kind of content, the kind of explanations which we were provided, it was like they basically knew what we as students are actually looking for. Whether it was the academic doubts or the doubts related to exams, the various institutions, Supergrads had us covered.
They covered all the important topics, all the previous year questions, and covered such a vast amount of syllabus in such a short period of time. So that was very helpful for me. Second of all, the doubt clearing Telegram groups, those were amazing, because if I send any questions picture, within 24 hours I get a step-by-step solved response.
सही बताऊँ तो बहुत हेल्प करी यार, not only teaching by the finest faculties available, but doubt solving sessions, mentorship, and the Supergrads ecosystem of YouTube and Telegram.
Supergrads helped me a lot during my IPMAT preparation for in-law examination. In my drop year, the regular classes were very thorough and they covered topics in depth with abundant question practice. The study material was abundant. Moreover, there was constant support, motivation and guidance.
I am selected for IIM Ranchi IPM batch 24-29. Supergrads really helped me with my preparation as I was really scared of maths and I was good at English, but they helped me enhance my English and improve my maths a lot.
The faculties at Supergrads were really helpful. They explained all the concepts in a very easy to understand manner and cleared all my doubts during the DCS as well. They constantly motivated me and guided me to my destination.
So before a big exam, so we would have a strategy session, and for me it was Anil sir, and he basically explained which section are you going to start with, how are you going to approach the different types of easy, medium, hard questions.
The faculty is very helpful and knowledgeable and will guide you.
To begin with, the mock interviews were really professional and meticulous. They were good at praising as well as professional in criticizing. They did not let their criticism.
The structured study plan they provided covered everything I needed to know, making it easier to stay on track. The classes were fantastic. The teachers explained tough concepts in a way that made them really easy to understand.
The study material that they provided, the live lectures, the doubt clearing support, the time-to-time guidance by the faculties and the mentorship by the mentors was very much helpful.
The classes were also very interesting and very educative and had a lot of unique elements. For example, there were classes on interview presentation and etiquettes, and there were academic revisions even for PCM concepts, which helped me a lot as a science student to prepare for the academic questions of my interview.
The best thing about Supergrads is the personalized mentoring and guidance that they provide here. I still remember, 2 days before my main interview, Abhishek sir sat with me for hours to structure all of my answers so that there was no stone unturned.
I am extremely amazed with that kind of talent and all the information which is being made available by Supergrads online about the IPM programs, BBA programs, how to prepare, comparison of various colleges.
एक पेरेंट के तौर पे जो हैप्पीनेस, जो सेटिस्फैक्शन मैंने फील किया, वो एक पेरेंट बहुत अच्छे से समझ सकता है। और उसी टाइम मेरे को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि सुपरग्रेड को अप्रोच करके हम लोगों ने कितना सही काम किया था।
पॉजिटिव चेंजेस मैंने देखा कॉन्फिडेंस। जैसे जैसे मॉक के स्कोर्स बढ़े, इसका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा, राइट? हाँ, लेकिन मैंने औरों को, जैसे मैं साथ में बैठती थी तो मैं औरों का भी देखती थी, बच्चों का डिस्कशन, अगर क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छे से उनको एंटरटेन किया जाता था। ये नहीं कि बैठ जाओ अभी बता देंगे, ऐसा नहीं होता था।
इंस्टीट्यूट जब से इसने ज्वाइन किया, एक डिसिप्लिनरी लाइफ की हो गई थी। हाँ, ये मेरा स्लॉट है, इस स्लॉट पे मैं ये करूंगा, आपको जो भी मुझे बात करनी है या खाने पीने वाला जो भी सिनेरियो है वो आप इस ड्यूरेशन में मेरे साथ करिए। और फैकल्टी ने भी बहुत सपोर्ट किया, पार्थ सर, प्रभाकर सर, दे वर मतलब वेरी कोऑपरेटिव। और थ्रू आउट द जर्नी मतलब मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मेरे को उनसे बार बार बात करनी है, क्योंकि वो खुद ही अपने साइड पे बहुत इनिशिएटिव लेते थे। इसको कोई भी डाउट्स होते थे तो प्रायोरिटाइज करते थे, तो कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं फेस करनी पड़ी कि मेरे को उनको अप्रोच करने की जरूरत भी पड़ती है। उन्होंने अपना पार्ट बहुत अच्छे से फुलफिल किया।
IPMAT मतलब Supergrads।
IPM मतलब Supergrads।
IPMAT 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 मतलब Supergrads।